Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that history of the country is not the story of slavery but it was history of valor, sacrifices and heroism. He said this while addressing the closing ceremony of the 400th birth anniversary celebration of Lachit Borphukan in New Delhi. Election campaigning has intensified in Gujarat. Leaders across political parties are making every effort to woo the voters. Shillong city on Thursday evening witnessed violence as 2 police vehicles were damaged while cases of arson were also reported in civil hospital area. Few police personnel were also injured. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar will address the valedictory sessions of the UNESCO India-Africa Hackathon 2022 as a chief guest at the Gautam Buddha University in Uttar Pradesh today at 11 a.m. The hackathon was inaugurated on 22nd of this month. In the FIFA World Cup Football 2022 today, Wales will take on Iran in Group B match at the Ahmed bin Ali Stadium at 3:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. In another match, Qatar will clash with Senegal in Group A at Al Thom Mama Stadium at 6:30 p.m. this evening.